how to delete emails in bulk in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or whether you're on a PC or laptop as well. So all you want to do is go to your Gmail application or the browser version, whatever you want. You're going to see your inbox by default as soon as you open it up. And then let's say I want to go ahead and delete something. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and click on one of these. So let's just go ahead and click on this. If I wanted to, on the top right, I'd see that little delete icon. So I could go ahead and press that. But let's say you want to go ahead and delete things in bulk, maybe you have a bunch of different emails that you maybe want to delete altogether instead of just going into them one by one. So what I could do is long press on one of the emails. Once I've done that, just go ahead and press any of the other ones. Now, once you long press the first one, you don't have to long press the rest of them. You can just individually select which ones you want. And then on the top right, you're going to see the trash icon again. Just go ahead and click on that. And then that's literally it. They'll all be deleted. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.